up, guys? So we've been here before. Actually, I think I was over there.
If you guys follow us on Instagram, you might have known that last week we actually filmed with the new Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palettes.
We did that.
Somehow, mysteriously, the memory card vanished.
Out of our 4-year career, that has never happened to us.
Gone.
Guys. I don't know if it got up and walked away or if it's just into the universe somewhere.
It made absolutely no sense, but we filmed with the Ring the Alarm palette and the Dark Magic palette originally. Our looks turned out great.
Yeah, they were amazing. We can insert a little photo here of how our looks ended up turning out.
We're super excited. We didn't have any issues at all, but when we had to refilm, we decided, like, let's do something a little bit different here.
Yeah, so we mourned the memory card and we decided, we actually looked up Jaclyn Hill's channel for the collection videos to see like if she did anything, if we can follow along her tutorials, and she actually had a dark magic tutorial, and so we were like, oh my gosh, genius!
Challenge.
Challenge.
We decided,
Face off.
yeah, so we decided, you know what, like the Ring the Alarm palette, beautiful, great, but it's more neutral.
It's definitely more neutral.
It's not as fun, so we're like, you know what, let's challenge each other. Follow Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorial and recreate the look she used using the Dark Magic palette.
To see who can do it better or just how it ended up turning out in general. So we played the video, we watched the entire thing, kind of sat down with her and tried to recreate it, and this is what it turned out. So
yeah, so if you guys want to see the tea, how we recreated these looks, all of that, then let's just jump right into it. All right, so we're hitting play and let's
just get into it.
Let's see who wins. Okay, so she's going in with that first like cream color shade Poof, and it looks like she's just putting it all over her lids.
Oh,
so
she's packing it on there.
She really is going hard with that.
How is she even getting it that opaque?
Right? I feel like it's not that opaque for me.
Oh wow, she must be, maybe she just gets into the shadow harder. I went in harder.
I still don't know how it's so white on her. It's just her, it looks white on her, and this color is not white.
Maybe it's her skin tone? Maybe she has a lighter skin tone.
Right, maybe. Yeah, that's probably it, right? Moving on. Okay,
Potion.
So she's picking up Potion, which is like a, kind of like a pukey green color, and it looks like she's putting it in her crease.
She's bringing it all the way in. All the way in. I feel like hers just is looking better than mine.
I just feel like mine doesn't look like that either. Is she better?
All the way in the inner corner? Yeah, hers is like, oh, look, hers is dark now. Okay. So let's pause and catch up because she cut hers and did her other eye. So I'm just gonna keep kind of building up. I think that's the key. I think you just have to start with less and just build up more and more and more, and then just try to like blend and blend and blend.
Shade of her eyeshadow on her eyes looks different, and that just must be because our skin tones are different, right? Like mine looks way more olivey and hers looks more
like
lime greeny.
Or yellowy. It looks more yellowy.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're ready to move on. I think we got like a nice little green moment in the crease. So let's see what's next.
Okay, so she's just basically blending now with like a clean brush just to make sure that has nothing on it, and just diffusing that situation out a little bit.
Translucent powder? For what?
Is this necessary?
Oh, she's doing it for fallout.
There is actually a lot of fallout in that color potion. Yeah.
Yeah, but as you guys can tell, we didn't put any foundation on this time because we knew that we'd probably have to go in and kind of clean it up anyways with a wipe or something. So
yeah, because she already has her foundation.
Yeah, that's not necessary
for
us. Skip trickery.
Trickery.
Look, she's got. Look at the brush she has.
Flat brush. Okay.
She's got. Oh, she's spritzing. A little spritz on there.
Okay, spritz me up. Oh, she's really going in.
Oh,
she went in quick with that. So she put it over her entire lid.
Okay.
So.
Okay, let's go. Let's just do this. Ooh, beautiful color
It's
though.
really pretty.
I feel like it's coming off really nicely. Ooh, there's like that green reflect in there. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting really good color payoff. It's going on really nicely. But so far I'm not having any issues with the eyeshadow.
No, this color looks freaking beautiful. Like,
so
oh my gosh, it looks great.
Who do you think is going to turn out better?
Face off, face off, face off.
Inside.
Okay, now she's going in with Inside Job on a blending brush.
Oh, the awkward moment that I was feeling. She's doing something about it. Okay.
Okay, Inside Job there. Okay, I got
right in this outer corner.
Okay, mesh.
It's looking really good. I feel like my mesh is happening. It's really just giving, like, you almost don't even notice, but it gives it such
it really is bringing those two colors, Potion and what is it, Trickery. It really brings them together. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what she's got going next.
Okay, so she's basically just taking that color Potion, like that second color we originally went in with, and she's just going back into her crease and kind of just like,
okay,
looks like she's just kind of redoing the moment.
Okay, so Potion in the crease.
Potion back in the crease. The way this color is drying on the lid is unreal.
Okay, I guess I'm ready to move on.
Okay, let's see.
Oh,
so she's just getting a really tiny brush, going back in with Potion, and getting it right in the inner corner.
Okay.
Very intricate. I would have never done that.
Definitely. It looks really good though, actually. It's making it look a lot like more blendy.
She's a makeup artist. And then again, if you guys were wondering, everything's blending perfectly. I'm not having a single issue with this palette. Really? I don't know what all the controversy's about.
Okay, more Trickery.
Oh my god, I was just kind of doing that. Did you guys see me?
Ooh, that looks so pretty. Okay, hit me.
Okay, so just a little bit more Trickery just to like relive the moment.
Redo.
And she just did like a tap tap, hello, relive.
Oh wow, that's so pretty.
This is a gorgeous color. I don't know what these undertones have going on, but they're sickening.
Okay, lower lash line. We're lower lash lining now.
So she's going with Potion. That is a thick brush.
She's going in.
I don't know.
Okay, Potion it is under the lower lash line.
She's going for it. Okay. I swear Potion looks so different on me than it does on her. It's weird. It's a whole different shade on me. Like, a whole different shade on me. What does that mean?
Pop on the waterline. Oh, okay, she's eyelinering now.
She's doing...
Look, she's got that one too though. We got that one and that one. What is she gonna do?
We got options. She's using green, so I'm going to use this Urban Decay green one.
Yeah, that's the closest color that we've... It's funny because we haven't actually... I haven't watched this video. Have you watched this video?
Yeah, I
actually haven't watched this video yet, and I picked that green eyeliner because I thought it'd go best anyways, but it's funny. Ooh, hers is like bright green now. This one's going to be a little bit more on the bluey tealy side, but I still think it's going to look great.
It will look good still.
I still think it's going to look great.
I love these Urban Decay eyeliners too. They just glide on so nicely.
Okay, I'm ready to move on. Eyeliner's on. We're good. What's next? Okay, Busted. I've been waiting to use this one. Okay,
tight brush.
Like a tight brush. Okay, so she's doing it like very close to the lash line.
Okay.
And kind of like blending it into kind of like into that eyeliner. Yeah, okay. I don't get too much.
Good. Oh my gosh, Fallout Maniac.
Blend, blend, blend.
It actually matches our eyeliner color that we picked almost perfectly.
Yeah, it actually does. It's really good.
Really gives it a nice moment.
Okay, I think I'm ready to move on.
More Potion with a smaller brush. And then we're just going to kind of go back over it. Bring back that moment. Who do you guys think is winning at this point? Let us know in the comments below. We're almost there, but I don't know. I think I'm winning, honestly. Okay, moving on. Now she went back with the blue to the Busted color. Okay. So just going back again over it.
Okay.
She really built up that lower lash line.
Oh yeah, we're looking smoky.
And again, this color's blending really nicely.
It all is blending beautifully together. Like the greens into the blues, like
yeah, the colors
they're not looking super like muddy. They actually are looking really good.
And they like stand out on their own, even when you pile them on top of each other, which is really cool. Okay. Moving on. Didn't she say 5 times she's not gonna use any other palette? She said that. Okay.
So what are we supposed to do?
We just have to skip this stage because this was not part of the plan.
Okay, so maybe we should just put like a little bit of poof. Just to like lighten it up.
Okay. Because
she's doing like a bright white inner corner and we don't have that with us right now.
So we'll just do a little bit of poof.
Where are we now? Okay, so she's using the color Power Cut. I'm doing my finger because it always comes up on my finger better. She's hitting the inner corner. Okay, moving on. What's she doing next?
What is happening?
Is it a powder?
She's using a highlight on her lid, on her brow bone.
So I guess I'm gonna do a little bit of poof in like not even the barely little bit of power cut under the brow bone.
Oh my god, are we gonna ruin it?
Well, there's nothing else.
Then she said mascara. We have fake eyelashes on, or like lash extensions, but we do have a special mascara that we use for them. And since this look is so bold, I feel like
yeah, we definitely need to even it out.
I think she's done too. Is she done with her eyeshadow?
Okay, let's see where she's at. And then she puts on some false lashes, so move on there.
Boom. Whoa, her false lashes made such a difference.
Wow, her false lashes look good.
Okay, so she's gonna move on to her face. So we're gonna go ahead and put on our faces, and then we'll be right back.
Be back.
Bon appetit, baby.